So, for your power going up the building on your vertical bus, we use WAGO connectors. This is a 5-way, and we also use a 3-way. Between here, going up on your vertical bus, power-wise, you want to be running a 2.5 3-core flex. Note here we have an earth loop. This particular controller has a power supply in it. We will always put an earth loop in where there is a power supply. But please note that you only want one of these earth loops left in, and you make that the system earth. So on all of the other power supplies, you remove this connection. So you only have one system earth, and you run a 4mm earth between all the other points.